AMALearning, you're about to. Specification, point 4.13. B. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of agricultural solutions to the demands of a growing human population, including use of fertilizers and biological control. This is a biology-only specification point. To successfully answer any GCSE questions linked to this topic, you will need to know the advantages and disadvantages of using fertilizers and biological controls as agricultural solutions. Let's examine how agriculture has adapted to meet the increasing demands of a growing human population, focusing on the use of fertilizers and biological control. While these solutions offer significant benefits, they also come with challenges. The following can be used to meet the demand for food. Selective breeding, which has been covered in the specification, point 4.8 video. Genetic engineering, which has been covered in the specification, point 4.10, 11, 12. Intensive farming with the use of fertilizers and biological control. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers are substances, chemical or organic, added to soil to supply essential nutrients, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, NPK. These nutrients promote plant growth, which improves crop yields. What are the advantages and disadvantages of fertilizers? The following are advantages of using fertilizers. Number 1. Increased crop yield. Fertilizers boost plant growth and productivity, helping to feed larger populations. Number 2. Efficient land use. Fertilizers allow farmers to grow more food on the same amount of land, reducing the need for deforestation. Number 3. Customized solutions. Different types of fertilizers can target specific nutrient deficiencies in soil. The following are disadvantages of using fertilizers. Number 1. Environmental impact. Overuse of fertilizers can lead to eutrophication, where excess nutrients run off into water bodies, causing algal blooms and harming aquatic life. Number 2. Soil degradation. Continuous fertilizer use may deplete soil structure and biodiversity, reducing long-term fertility. Number 3. Dependence on chemicals. Synthetic fertilizers may create reliance on industrial agriculture, which will lead to them outcompeting smaller, traditional farmers. What is biological control? Biological control involves using natural predators, parasites, or pathogens to manage pest populations. It is an alternative to using pesticides. For example, farmers use ladybirds to control aphid infestations. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using biological control? The following are advantages of using biological control. Number 1. Environmentally friendly. It reduces the need for chemical pesticides, therefore reducing the buildup of chemicals within the environment. Number 2. Sustainable. Once introduced, natural predators often sustain themselves and keep pest populations in check. Number 3. Improved crop quality. Fewer pesticides mean crops are safer for consumption. The following are disadvantages of using biological control. Number 1. Unintended consequences. Introduced predators may harm non-target species or become invasive themselves. For example, the Hawaiian cane toad was introduced into Australia to control the cane beetle population as it was destroying sugarcane crops. The cane toads did not have much effect on the cane beetles, but began to reproduce and spread across the country. They are poisonous and are now reducing the native toad population. Number 2. Slower results. Biological control methods often take time to reduce pest populations, unlike chemical solutions. Number 3. Limited scope. Biological control is usually specific to certain pests and may not be effective against all threats. In summary, To meet the demands of a growing population, the following tools play a vital role in agriculture. Fertilizers, biological control. These methods offer key benefits. Fertilizers boost yields. Biological control reduces pesticide use. However, both approaches must be carefully managed to reduce environmental impact and support sustainable farming. Let's apply what we have learnt to this past paper question. I will show you a question, read it out and then reveal the answer after 5 seconds. Pause the video if that isn't long enough. This first part question is asking us that using ladybirds to control insect pests is an example of. And the correct answer is C, biological control. The second question is asking us to explain the advantages and disadvantages of growing GM corn plants. We know the following from our learning. That farmers using ladybirds to control aphid infestations is an example of biological control. In addition to this, we know that the use of biological control is environmentally friendly. This is because it reduces the need for chemical pesticides, therefore reducing the build-up of chemicals within the environment. If we compare our learning to the mark scheme, we would have got the first part of the question correct. And in the second question, we would have got marks for the first 2 bullet points. So we would have got full marks. Excellent. Our animations were designed by experienced UK trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.